Okay, so it's now ready to go into the oven. So what I need to do with this is put lots of flour on the bottom of the loaf, and I don't want it to get stuck onto this surface. So how do I know it's ready? I can feel that it's uniformly airy all the way around that loaf. If I pop a finger in, it should almost come back 1 to 2 seconds. Can you see it popping back? But it doesn't pop all the way back. Okay, so that shows me it's got life in there for oven spring, so it's going to spring up nicely. We put the peel on top and we turn the loaf out. Okay, I was very generous with the flour here, so I'm just going to dust a bit of that off. Now we're going to slash. So this is my baker's razor, but I dip it into water so that it's wet when I draw it through the loaf. Okay. Can you see how I'm holding the blade almost flat to the loaf? I'm wanting it to spring off the top, like a little top hat almost. And now it goes into the oven. Looking very beautiful, I'm very pleased with that.